Present day. Present time.
Okay, so today I'll be sharing my settings that I use with EasyEffects, and I'm gonna tell you how to put them, how to install them, etc., and all that. Anyway, first of all, I'd like to say that I have these presets actually in the description. What the heck is my Dropbox? I got my Dropbox in the bottom, and I will have these settings so you can actually download the files. Anyway, they'll be right here, and there'll be a link in the description for mic and headset in case you're interested in what kind of mic and headset I have. Well, the headset preset is for the headset, the HyperX CloudX, which is the wire version. And then for my microphone, that might be different. You might not even have to if you have a good microphone. For that one, I have the mv6 Shure. Anyway, I got the files downloaded right here, and I'm gonna show you how to install them. So let's go right here. So right here, we're going to copy this one. This is your output. This will be your pretty much your headset where you listen out of. So I got a pre-made setting. So right here where we're gonna go, since we have the EasyEffects, but we got the VAR one. If you have the regular version, the native version is the same thing, except you go to config and EasyEffects. But since today we're doing the Flatpak version, the Flatpak version is slightly different. So you're gonna want to go to this. Okay, before we get started, make sure you copy this. We go to home. You go to your home folder, and you're gonna go to VAR app, and then you gotta put EasyEffects. Then you gotta go to config, EasyEffects, and then output. Output, there'll be what's coming out, like your audio. And then I already have it here, but you just copy and paste it here. Now, for the other one, if you actually do want to use this one, this is basically the microphone. You should go back, and instead of going to the output folder, like you know how we're right here. So this is like your output folder. So we're going input, which means the audio that you put into. Like think about it like into. So you put input and then you paste right there. So in order to make this run, once you get to EasyEffect, this is what you're gonna want to do. Okay, so you go to effects, and for example, right here we're in the output. So you're gonna want to go right here, and it'll be here, and you just press low. Then for the input, you do the same thing. You go right here. It's going to be here already, and you just put low, and that should be it. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video or found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, as always, stay spooky, stay weird. Bye.